This slide is just a little review of citations that we did look at in Forum 1. So remember that citing your textual evidence correctly is really important when you include it in your writing. So let's look at another example. So I just pulled this piece, this quote from the book to show you how to cite properly. So what I did is I included my introduction to the quote, and I said, according to Natasha. Then I would want to put a comma after the introduction and before the quote. And there is an exception to this rule, so if you end the word with that before a quote, you do not have to use a comma. So then moving on, I'm going to put my quote in quotation marks at the beginning and the end of the quote. So human beings are not reasonable creatures. That is my textual evidence for whatever I am claiming. And then I want to include the citation, which is the author's name and page number in parentheses. And then I want to include that outside of the last quotation mark, and then I put my sentence punctuation outside of the citation at the end of the sentence. So when you are responding to our writing prompts, feel free to come back to this slide and just make sure that all of your citations are following the rules. And this is just a good example for you to look at.